Have you imagined waking to the fresh mountain air or stunning views from your lakefront retreat? Instead of imagining, let's meet the experts at Coldwell Banker High Country Realty who can help you get there.
Our company is built on strength, integrity, and professionalism. We believe in giving every client we serve an exceptional experience. We're backed by the brand Coldwell Banker, which is 115 years old, so we feel like that represents stability and strength in the marketplace. And we live here, work here, play here. We know this market well, so we're the experts to help you find your place in the mountains. The properties we specialize in is easy to sum up in 2 words. We sell beauty and we sell quality of life. It can't get any easier than that. We sell anything from cabins to lakefront estates, acreage tracts, commercial, farms, but simply when people come to our area, they see that we sell beauty and we sell quality of life.
The areas that we serve are the North Georgia mountains, which include Ellijay, Blairsville, Blue Ridge, Hiwassee, and I even serve over into North Carolina because I'm licensed in Georgia and North Carolina. So I also serve the North Carolina mountains.
With 5 offices throughout the area, they're ready to give every client an exceptional experience.
Every client is special to us, and we work very hard to find what they're looking for and make it a wonderful experience for them while we're doing it.
Here at Coldwell Banker, we have over 80 agents, and we all work close together as a real big team to make all of our clients very happy.
For buyers, Farron has some tips that can help make sure you're choosing the best luxury property for you.
People come to our area for very different reasons. Some want completely off the grid. They want to buy 40 acres and build in the middle of it so they don't hear anything and they don't hear road noise. They don't come out often. But there are other people who want all the amenities they have coming from the city. So they want gated, they want tennis, they want swimming, they want golf. We can accommodate any of those. We have everything you could want depending on what your desires are and what your budget is.
And if you're selling your home, Kelly can advise you on that.
The main thing you're wanting to do is you're wanting the buyers to envision themselves in your home. So you really want to have your home staged, and that is one thing that we will, as a team, guide you through until the house goes on the market. And staging merely, a lot of times it can get you an offer very quickly on your home. Some examples of staging are decluttering your home. That's the most important thing to do when you're getting ready to sell, is just get rid of a lot of the clutter that you have. Curb appeal. Curb appeal is so important when you pull up in front of a house because that's your first impression for your buyers.
So, are you ready to find your paradise?
With Coldwell Banker, we have sometimes been considered the stodgy brokerage because we've been around a long time. We do things the right way. We're far from that. We're very cutting edge, and our team, I'm proud to say, lives, works, and plays in this region, and they know it better than anybody. Our slogan is "No commission is worth our reputation." We're going to work hard, be ethical, do everything by the book, because that's who we are. We don't believe that our reputation should be in jeopardy for any commission of any size.
For more information about Coldwell Banker High Country Realty, visit cbhighcountry.com. And of course, visit us at designingspaces.tv.